What do you guys like better, ducks or chickens? I have an egg from both. I have a duck egg, farm fresh, and I have a chicken egg, farm fresh. I'm gonna fry both of these up in a pan the exact same way, over easy, or maybe sunny side up, and give you a real rating right now on which one I think is better, because a lot of people think duck eggs are better, so I'll be the judge of that. I'm a yolk boy. Let's get to frying. For the fried egg today, I'm going with a non-stick. I know, it's controversial. Sue me. When it comes to fried eggs, I'm a pretty simple man. Give me some good butter, hot pan, maybe some salt and pepper. You know it's ready when that butter is nice and foamy. Not burning, just foamy. Today I'm just doing the classic sunny side up, just in a little bit of butter, topped with a little bit of salt and pepper, just so I can get all those flavors out of there. I don't want to muddy this up too much. I don't want to overthink it either. I'm just going to do a small splash of water to get some steam built up and a little cover on this. Finish off the top of that egg. Looking pretty good. Yeah. Look at that little eggy. That looking pretty good. Not bad. I mean, looks like a regular egg. Next, the chicken. And we're gonna do that chicken egg the exact same way. And the chicken. Because I'm not a heathen, salt and pepper. I'm gonna hit this chicken first just to get my baseline. Yolks up. Yep, best breakfast of all time. Now with the duck. Yolks up. Not a very noticeable difference, to be honest. Maybe the duck egg is slightly creamier. Flavor-wise, I'm not getting anything here. If you serve that to me for breakfast, I would think it was a regular egg. Still amazing, still delicious. I'm gonna go for one more take here. A little bit of white, a little bit of yolk. Yeah, not a lot going on there. It tastes pretty much like a chicken egg. It might have a slightly creamier texture in the yolk, but other than that, delicious, still very good. I don't think that I'd be able to tell if you served that to me that that was a duck egg. Can't go wrong with either one, guys. Breakfast of champs. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more yolk videos and egg experiments.